In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Spotify Wrapped to your Instagram stories. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you're having trouble getting Spotify Wrapped on your account, make sure to check out my latest video on how you can get Spotify Wrapped on your Spotify account. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And what you need to go ahead and do first is obviously open up Spotify, and then go ahead and click on your 2020 Wrapped. And then what it will do is it will bring you to this here. And then go ahead and find one that you want to go ahead and share. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one here. And then once you've done that, go ahead and you can select Instagram Stories, Snapchat, Twitter, etc. Go ahead and click on Instagram Stories. And then once you've done that, you'll be redirected over to Instagram. And all you want to do from here is just simply share it as you would normally on Instagram. So click on Send To. And then go ahead and click on your story. So you can go ahead and click Share there. And then what it will do then is it will go ahead and share it to your Instagram story. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.